nítorí ọmọ ni nítorí ọmọ ni l'Agbe fi dárò tó fi dálé aró nítorí ọmọ ni nítorí ọmọ ni àlùkò kò sùn ó kò sùn rẹ̀rẹ̀ nítorí ọmọ ni nítorí ọmọ ni Tayo Olafioye ọmọ agbẹ́dẹ́gbẹ́yọ̀ nítorí ọmọ ni. How did the sun set on Grandma's son? Tayo ọmọ Olafioye. Nítorí ọmọ ni. Nítorí ọmọ ni. Laughter died in the mouth of those whose teeth has taken leave. How did the sun set on Grandma's son? Tayo ọmọ Afede Fosomo. Your poetry cleanses better than detergents. Omi gbẹ nídìí igi wọ́wé. Yes, the iroko has fallen in the land of dryness. Òǹgbẹ gbẹ mí, omi ò tán òǹgbẹ. The cockerel went to roost and met bird flu. Ikú pagbe bí ẹni tí ò lè dárò mọ́. The dye pit dries up. Help me sing a dirge to the dye. The egret has docked its chalk garment. Tayo ọmọ Olafioye. The earth has swallowed Kengbeoro. Indeed, the earth has swallowed the reservoir of words. Tayo, you have joined the Irumale in yonder shores. Grandma's sun is set before dawn. Never will we enjoy your banter but in books. Tayo, you have left this land high and dry. Never will we share those moments of bliss. Iku doro, iku sika, iku menirelo. Ah, Tayo, I remember the song we wrote and sang. Oron la leda, oron la leda. Oron la leda o, oron la leda. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pọ̀ ọmọ ẹyẹ tẹ́ ò jẹ́ kó dàgbà o, oron la leda. Sleep well, Tayo, in yonder shores. Bamboozle, razzle, and dazzle them with sonnets. Entertain them with the rhymes and soothen their hearts with rhythm. Keep the abode clean, for we all must make the trip. Ọ̀run dẹ̀dẹ̀. Dákun má kánjú mọ́, gbogbo wa la ó rè. Sunre o, my mentor, my friend. Òkú ọlọ́mọ kìí sùn. We will sing, we will dance, we will keep the torch aflame. Ha! Agbe tọrọ ọmọ rẹ̀ dárò. Ó lélẹ̀ o. Àlùkò tọrọ ọmọ rẹ̀ sókòsùn o. Ó lélẹ̀. Bàbá ìyókù tọrọ ọmọ rẹ̀ pàgógó idẹ. Àwa kò lè ṣàrò ìwọ̀n yẹn. Ọmọ Olafioye ó dìgbére. Agbe tọrọ ọmọ rẹ̀ dárò. Ó lélẹ̀ o. Àlùkò tọrọ ọmọ rẹ̀ kò sùn o. Ó lélẹ̀. Bàbá ìyókù tọrọ ọmọ rẹ̀ pàgógó idẹ. Àwa kò lè ṣàrò ìwọ̀n yẹn. Ọmọ Olafioye ó dìgbére. I love you, Dr. Olafioye. I know that heaven loves you more.